Well, here at the Poise Garden, a lot of party workers have gathered here in large numbers, raising slogans for Jayalalitha. And joining me is the official spokesperson of the AIADMK. Ma'am, what is the mood in the party now ahead of the verdict?
We are all eagerly waiting to get the results. We are very sure the justice will be on our Amma side only, because Amma is not a corrupted leader at all. She is the people's leader. She works for people. She doesn't have anything in her life except people's. So definitely this judgment, justice will give us a great judgment for a favor of our Amma. We are waiting for the moment. We'll be seeing Amma very soon with a great victory.
And what if the judgment goes against her? What if it is against her? What is the party's plan, and what are you going to do next?
Why do you want to think negative now? We are all in a positive mood. So I don't want to go for any negative answers. It is a positive reply. It is a positive judgment. We are waiting for that.
And what happens, ma'am? If there is a positive judgment, what happens next? Will Jayalalitha return as the Chief Minister?
Definitely. People are waiting for that. Not only ADMK cadres. The 7.5 crores Tamil Nadu people are waiting for that. They want our Amma to see as Chief Minister very soon. This will happen very soon. Within a day, she will become a Chief Minister.
Ma'am, also the opposition says that the government here is a lame duck government. It's poor governance here. And
what I tell you is, before 6 months, where these all party events? Did anybody spoke anything about the government? If Amma is not in the chair, these parties are, say one thing, they want publicity. They want the name to come in the papers and media. So they speak nonsense every day. People know what is right and what is wrong. They don't want to take all these opposition parties' word. It is really a publicity, that's all. And no party can stand in front of our Amma, in front of ADMK. No, they can't.
Ma'am, if Amma returns or if Jayalalitha returns and if there is a favorable verdict from the High Court, will there be a snap polls? Will you dissolve the government and go for a snap polls and seek a fresh mandate?
I don't want to go to all those things. Now we are in a victory mood. And yesterday was Mother's Day. Today is our Mother's Day. We are celebrating Mother's Day today. So let us think positive. Why you want to think all about things now? Let's wait for the celebration. Let us celebrate. And our Mother's Day is today. We'll win. Let us be.
But there is a speculation, there are reports saying that if there is a favorable verdict, then there will be snap polls in Tamil Nadu.
Nothing I can say now, because without our concurrence of our leader, we can't say any words. Our leader has to decide anything. This is a party in control. It's a leaders control party. Not everybody can speak anything in this party. We all under Amma. What Amma says, we'll do, that's all. So I don't want to discuss about it. We are waiting to see our Amma with a great victory, that's all.
Ma'am, Jayalalitha was out of public view. She was not, she hasn't appeared in public for the past 7 months. Do you think that this is a huge setback for the AIADMK?
No.
Why is that?
No.
When did you last meet her?
See, this case was a false case. She doesn't want to meet people with a false case. She says, I have not done any harm. I have not done any corruption. I'll come out with a perfect leader, as a perfect leader. Then I come and meet people and the cadres. That's why she's waiting. It is not that because of corruption. She is not at all a corrupted leader at all. Never in her life she did corruption.
Okay. Why do you say it's a false case, ma'am? Why do you say it?
See, in Srirangam election, a Manchester Amma gave a word. This case is Vidiyum Sadiyum Seyandu Seida Vele. She herself said. It is just a false case. It's only DMK made it. Definitely in the judgment it will come. This Poise Garden house Amma didn't come, bought after she becoming a Chief Minister. It was bought when she was a heroine. She was once a very big heroine. She earned a lot those days. Those days this was only lakhs, now it is crores. Her mother bought this house actually. After becoming a CM, she never bought any property on her name. So let us wait. God is great. People's prayer, cadres prayer. Definitely Amma will win. She'll become a Chief Minister.
And what kind of pujas are being organized across the state?
Every day we are doing puja, not only we, all the public. Morning I went to a temple, an 80 years old lady. She came and told me she's not ADMK cadre, she's not a MLA, she's not MP. She came and told me, Amma will win, don't worry. As a public, as a woman, she's blessing Amma. So every day the puja is going.
Ma'am, there are polls that are saying that the AIADMK party's image has taken a beating and the DMK is gaining upper hand. How do you see
I was there in that debate that day in Sandhi TV. What do you mean by the people who vote in computers, we don't take it for granted? Which lady knows about computer? If you go about Chengalpet, if you go after Chengalpet, do you think ladies will sit and message? They have a lot of work. They'll see serials. They'll go to bed. When the election comes, they go to the poll, they vote for Amma. Some people are sitting, I know, Stalin's group, they have IT people. They want to vote only for this. When some debate comes like this, all this Mr. Sabreezan is having all IT groups of people all over Tamil Nadu. They sit in a their message, not a public. So we don't believe in that.
And what are you expecting today, ma'am? Are you here to meet the former Chief Minister, AIADMK Supremo?
Not former Chief Minister. She's going to be a Chief Minister again today or tomorrow itself. We are waiting eagerly. We are waiting to see because she's our God. She's the God of ours. We are waiting to see her very eagerly. It will happen in few minutes now. We hope. We pray God. We believe in God.
Well, there the official spokesperson of AIADMK, C.R. Saraswati, telling us that the entire party is hopeful.